Did you know that dairy goats are one of the most productive and low-maintenance animals you can raise? Imagine having a steady supply of fresh, delicious milk right from your own backyard. Sounds amazing, right? But to unlock the full potential of your dairy goats, there are a few essential care secrets you need to know. Stick with me and I'll show you how to keep your goats happy, healthy, and thriving so you can enjoy all the benefits of goat milk in no time. Let's start with the basics. Female dairy goats are called does, while males are known as bucks. Their young are called kids, and a castrated male is referred to as a wether. The average lifespan of a dairy goat ranges from 8 to 12 years, so it's important to establish proper care from the start to ensure a long, productive life. Section 1. Feeding needs. Feeding is one of the most critical aspects of goat care. Dairy goats require a year-round supply of roughage, such as pasture, browse, or hay. During the winter months, when fresh pasture is limited, be sure to supplement their diet with high-quality hay. Milking goats and breeding does benefit from a daily portion of legume hay, like alfalfa. Kids and bucks need a balanced grain ration, while adult milkers should have a standard dairy grain. Kids are milk-fed until they're 2 to 3 months old, but by the time they're 2 weeks old, they should start eating forages, like pasture grass or hay, and gradually begin consuming grain by 4 weeks. And don't forget, all dairy goats need access to fresh, clean water and mineral supplements to stay healthy. Section 2. Pasture and grazing. When it comes to pasture, dairy goats aren't your typical grass grazers. They prefer browsing brushlands and a variety of plants, including non-toxic weeds. If you're raising dairy goats, you'll need strong fencing and enough space for them to roam. However, overgrazing is a risk, especially in arid areas, so rotational grazing is key to maintaining healthy pasture and preventing parasite infestations. Section 3. Housing requirements. Next up, let's talk about housing. Dairy goats are quite adaptable and can live in all climates. While they don't require elaborate housing, they do need clean, dry, and well-ventilated shelter. A dirt floor is preferable over a cement one, as it allows for better drainage and a more natural environment. For each goat, provide at least 15 square feet of bedded space indoors. The outside exercise area should be a minimum of 25 square feet per goat, and it needs to be properly fenced and well-drained. Bucks should always be kept in separate quarters, away from milking does, to avoid aggressive behavior. Also, since goats are herd animals, they prefer the company of at least one other goat. Section 4. Goat management. Good management practices are vital for the health and productivity of your goats. One of the first things you'll want to consider is dehorning. It's best to do this when they're young, around 1 to 2 weeks of age, to minimize stress. Also, knowing your goat's normal physiological values is essential for early illness detection. The average pulse rate is about 83 beats per minute, with a range of 50 to 115. Their respiration rate should be around 29 breaths per minute, with a range of 15 to 50. And their body temperature should hover around 103.6 degrees. Tracking weight is also important. You can use weight tapes to estimate their body weight based on their heart girth. To sum it up, taking good care of your dairy goats requires attention to detail, from feeding and pasture management to proper housing and regular health checks. With the right care, your goats can live healthy, productive lives, giving you the rewarding benefits of fresh, high-quality milk. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on caring for your dairy goats, and leave any questions or comments down below. See you next time.